when people say make it or die trying, like if you think about that, just if you actually like admit that I might die just trying make it happen, but I will try it anyway. If you actually admit that, if you actually like F it, I'm gonna do whatever it takes, just I'm gonna continue grinding. I'm not gonna, yes, there are gonna be days when devil is gonna whisper to me, things like I'm not winning, I'm not whatever, I'm a loser, but I will continue doing the correct things which is necessary to achieve success. And I believe and I put my trust in Allah. There is a saying that He is the Lord and the owner of impossible, and you are crying for something is possible. Have trust. Have trust, brother. Have trust. All these confusions, all these like different thoughts, all these like different views, all these different quotes which don't correlate with each other. If you take the two quotes sometimes and you put them together, like one is saying your mom is dying and getting older, still not millionaire, work harder, and there is another thing, great things takes time, and you're like constant battle with all these like different quotes, like different people are saying. This bold guy is saying you to get rich fast, and this guy is saying like Elon is or Jeff Bezos is saying get rich slow. It's not the most lucrative way, because something which comes fast goes fast, right? Something which comes fast goes fast. I think it's Jeff or like Elon, some of these billionaires have said. And the yeah, I mean, all these different quotes, all these different like contradictions. The reason why these contradictions come in together is because, first of all, from a religious perspective, is because they are made from human beings. And because human beings are not ideal, what we say and what we do is, we do certain things depending on the situation and circumstances. We say some kind of quote which might not be the right quote for your own situation, for your particular situation. That's why I'm kind of like, I'm not someone who you should listen to. I all the time say it, because I might say some kind of quote which is not really about your situation. But that's why I recommend you to just pick this book on your own and read it on your own. The words which God have said, they was working and getting implemented to the situations 1040 years ago, and they are working still to this day. Guess why? Because God is the one who wrote this book, made this book, you name it. And He's the one who wrote the plan for you. So you like, this guidance is something which is correlated with something which is written for you, and something which is like, this guidance which is also like written for humanity at all, and you are the part of humanity. These things are correlated to each other, brother. This is not separate things. The writer, the author is the same. The author of your plan, of your life, is God, and the author of this book is God also. So, yeah. I think all this like, different opinions, you hear all these different quotes on the internet, see different people saying different things, is the form of like some kind of testing your patience also, right? Because you hear some kind of quote and you look at your life, you might get a little bit depressed or sad about that you are still using public transport and there is someone who bought just a new Rolls Royce for $1 million. and then he's saying some kind of quote, you need to get rich fast, and you're on, a train or something and just watching it. I mean, it's better to watch this kind of content than freaking filthy photo or video, or like, like a Logan Paul vlog. It's better to watch something similar, but I think it's kind of some kind of way of testing your patience also, you know. God let these words to get spread around. For some people, for their situation, it works. For other people, it doesn't. It might be a kind of test for you, and might be. Again, I'm not a scholar. I'm just a guy who just talking to camera. Um, you know, it's already 30 minutes. You can take a screenshot of what kind of things which I have planned for today. It's just the boring stuff, repeating it again and again. Again reaching out to people, again reading Quran, again learning new stuff like Arabic and Chinese, again making video, again NoFap challenge, again waking up at 5 a.m. challenge. Same shit happens, same shit repeats, getting better every day. And yeah, may Allah bless you with success in this dunya and hereafter. You can have these two successes at the same inshallah time. There is no contradictions in it. There is no like, you can get only one. Yeah. Peace.